spin it again.
Okay.
Look at that.
Look at that. Do you love it?
Teal. Teal. It is like teal blue.
Yes.
Our skull color teal blue.
Teal blue.
That's enough.
That's enough. Okay, now what?
We need some that.
The magic stuff? This time we won't forget. Magic stuff.
Then I can piece it again.
Okay, you ready? Okay. Okay, a little harder. Okay, harder. Oh! Okay, so is the magic happening? Yeah, it's all collecting, huh?
Can I spin it?
You ready to spin it?
Yeah.
Wait, I thought you wanted to make squigglies. You want squigglies?
Yeah.
Very pretty. Perfect.
That was the best.
That was the best. Now what?
Spin it.
Spin it. Carly, how old are you? How old are you?
4.
4. Holy cow, you're my best student ever. How does that look?
Good.
It looks good.
That looks pretty.
That looks pretty. You want to spin it one more time?
Yeah.
Of course. What do you think?
It looks like a butterfly's wing.
You're right. Okay. What is this called? Pillow? Pillow paint? We made a pillow, huh? Okay, what color is this? Here. You're welcome.
I can do it high.
Any way you want.
Like the 5.
Yeah. And what color is this?
And green.
Yep, say neon green.
Neon green.
Okay, here you go. Okay, now for the magic stuff. We're gonna use black this time. Stop. That's enough. Stop, stop, stop. There. perfect.
I'm making it round and around.
Oh my gosh, you're just so good.
Can I spin it?
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man, look at that.
And can I do it again?
Of course.
I'll just spin it one more time.
One more time?
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't like that spin, did you?
And I'll do it one more time.
Okay. Look, Carly. Okay, these are gorgeous. Which one's your favorite?
The purple one.
The purple one?
Yeah.
Of course it is. Those are your favorite colors. Wow.